Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can use monitor, PC monitor or laptop monitor as a console. For a console, sorry. So all you need to do now, prepare the HDMI cable. So here you can use HDMI cable from your monitor or from your console itself. And then prepare PS Remote Play. So if you use PlayStation 5 for example, you need to download first the PS PlayStation Remote Play. With this app you can control your PlayStation console remotely wherever you have high-speed internet connection. So also you have to prepare internet connection. And here we go. Using this app you can control your PS console, PS4 console from a device at different location. For example, you can use computer in another room or a smartphone when you're out to enjoy PS5 and so on. So here if you use a Windows PC, you have to install this Windows app. So here you can download PS Remote Play, save it to your desktop or other location, and so on. Run the installation file, follow the on-screen instruction to install the app. During installation you might see a request to download additional software that needed to use PS Remote Play. Then don't forget to set up your PS5 console. From the home screen, select settings or gear icon here, system, remote play, and then turn on enable remote play. Then to start, you can select setting again, system, power saving, features available in rest mode, then turn on stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. So for the rest you can follow the instruction from the app. So here there is a full instruction in the official website of PS Remote Play. So here if you want to just play using monitor, just connect your USB cable with your console, just simple as that. So but you have to use the HDMI cable here for the output of the audio. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the button below. See you in the next video.